Two protocols dropped into the AI space in the last 12 months. One solves how your model talks to tools. The other solves how your agents talk to each other. And most developers, they still don't know the difference. But by the end of this video, you will. And that right there is the gap between someone who uses AI and someone who architects it. Before these protocols, every AI system was custom wired. Read a Google Doc? Custom integration, connect a database? Custom code. Agent-to-agent coordination? Good luck. Every new tool adds more code. Every new agent adds more complexity. That's spaghetti architecture. And that's why most AI demos never reach production. Model Context Protocol, MCP. Anthropic released this in late 2024, and it changed the game. Here's the mental model that matters. MCP is the USB standard for AI. Before USB, every device had a different plug. After USB, plug anything into anything. MCP does that for AI models and tools. Your model connects to GitHub, Slack, databases, APIs through one standardized interface. The model doesn't care which tool. The tool doesn't care which model. MCP is the handshake between them. This is vertical integration. Model talking to tools. MCP solved the vertical layer. But here's what it did not solve. What happens when you have 5 agents? Research, coding, testing, deployment, monitoring, and they need to talk to each other? MCP doesn't handle that. That's where Google's agent-to-agent protocol comes in. A2A. A2A standardizes how agents communicate. Horizontally. Peer-to-peer. Agent 1 assigns a task to Agent 2. Agent 2 reports back. Agent 3 picks it up and continues. They coordinate, they delegate, they execute, without a human in the loop. A2A is the language your agents use to talk to each other. Here's how I think about it. MCP is the hands of your AI system. It's how your model reaches out and grabs tools. A2A is the voice between your agents. It's how they coordinate in real time. One is vertical, one is horizontal. You don't choose one or the other. A real production system needs both. MCP, to connect your agents to the real world. A2A, to let them work together in that world. If you're only building with one of these, you're not building a system, you're building a prototype. Before I give you the full decision framework, if this kind of deep dive is what you're here for, hit subscribe. This channel isn't about hype. It's about the protocols, the patterns, and the architecture that actually matters. Stop being a user, become an architect. Here's your decision framework. Building one agent that needs tools, MCP. Building multiple agents that need to collaborate, A2A. Building a production system, MCP plus A2A. Together. Let's make it real. A market analysis pipeline. Your research agent uses MCP to pull data from a financial API. It passes that data via A2A to the analysis agent, which runs the models. Then sends the results via A2A to the reporting agent, and that agent uses MCP to write the final output to a Google Doc. MCP at the edges, A2A in the middle. That's the full stack. And this isn't theory. Google's Agent Development Kit is built on exactly this model. One more thing. Google's A2A documentation, and I'm quoting directly, A2A is designed to be complementary to MCP, not competitive with it. They're not rivals. They're layers. The developers who treat them as rivals will build the wrong system. The architects who understand the layer model, they'll build the right one. That's the framework. MCP for model to tool, A2A for agent to agent, both for production. If you want the full hands-on build, the next video covers implementing a real multi-agent system using both protocols. The link is right here. Stop being a user, become an architect.